What the Singer Model 20 would not do is sew the Velcro on, and that's not surprising. I have done that before with the Model 20, but this is a thicker Velcro than I normally use. It's kind of a heavy-duty Velcro. So the machine I have out now is the 1591, and I just want to mention for those who might be considering landscape design, you could do this with the 237. This is one of Singer's more powerful machines. It's got a direct drive motor, and there are also, along with the 201, maybe the 500A, a couple of other machines that were more finely engineered than, say, the Model 66 or the 99. They were just made a little bit better. And my great-grandfather was an engineer, and it's just a little bit of a finer point on the engineering end of it. Wonderful machines, and extremely heavy-duty, and only electric, can't be treadled. The 237 can be treadled. This can't. This one is from 1952, and this can handle Velcro like nothing. Now, the reason I'm mentioning it to do with landscape design is if you decide that you do want to go to cross-stitch fabric and do your design elements on cross-stitch fabric, you would probably, instead of doing stay stitching, you'd be turning under the edges and stitching them so that you have a nice little professional finished cross-stitch item, which you can then put Velcro on the back of and use Velcro as the vehicle to keep your elements in place, and then you can put your page up on the wall and nothing is going to fall off. It's the old way of doing PowerPoint. If you end up with several machines or different machines or loving antique machines because you've decided to bring machines into landscape design, one thing you need to do is rotate them, use them, oil them, maintain them. You don't want to stick them in a corner and forget about them. So this will take probably under a minute to do all of the sewing needed for the Velcro to be added to this service dog badge. It does have reverse, and these machines love to sew. Wonderful, wonderful machines. The Velcro got stuck on the camera strap and pulled the camera over. It's Saturday. It's going to be one of those days, I think.